Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice algebra problem. And here we need to simplify this algebraic expression. It is 1 over 9 and its whole exponent is 1 over 9. So now we need to simplify this algebraic expression. So here we use some exponential or radical formulas in order to simplify this term. And now here first we just use the nice radical formula which you know about. If we have a over b and its whole power 1 over 2, we just write it as a to the power of 1 over 2 and divided by b to the power of 1 over 2. So this is the exponential form, and we write this exponential form into the radical form, and its radical form is this one. We write it as square root of a into square root of b. Similarly, here first we need to separate this exponent on both of these terms, and it is written as in this form: 1 to the power of 1 over 9 over 9 to the power of 1 over 9. So now after that we know that 1 to the power of 1 over 9 is equals to 1 divided by, we write this 9 to the power of 1 over 9 as in this radical form in this one. Okay, so after that here we need to simplify this algebraic expression, so that now we just multiply and divide both of numerator and denominator by the term is 9 to the power of ninth root of 9 to the power of 8. We multiply and divide by this term, and 9 to the power of 8 and its ninth root. And after that here we use the nice exponential or nice radical law, and you know about this law. If we have a and its nth root multiplied by b and its nth root, it is equals to a multiplied by b and its nth root. It means that we combine these two nth roots. So now here our the numerator is written as 9 to the power of 8 and its ninth root divided by, here we combine the ninth root of these two terms, and it is written as ninth root of 9 to the power of 1 multiplied by 9 to the power of 8. So here we need some simplification in the denominator. So we know that in the denominator here you have bases on both of these terms are same, so we use this nice exponential law. If you have a to the power of m into a to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m plus n. So now here we use this nice exponential law. So according to this law, we add these two exponents, and it is written as 9 to the power of 8 and its ninth root divided by 9 to the power of 9 and its ninth root. And after this step here we need to expand this 9. We know about 9. We write 9 as 3 square and its whole power 8 and its ninth root. And in the denominator term here we know that if you have a and its nth root, a to the power of n and its nth root, it is this n and nth root are cancelled by each other and we get a. So we use here this nice property of exponential in the numerator in this term. So this 9 and this ninth root are cancelled by each other, and here we obtain only 9. And now in the next step here we again use another exponential law, because here I can just explain this problem step by step, and we use all the properties of exponent. We just write it here. So after that we know about this property of exponent. If you have a to the power of m to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m times of n. So now we use this nice property to this term. So we multiply this 2 by 8 and we know that 2 by 8 is equals to 3 to the power of 16, and its ninth root, and it is divided by 9. And after that, here we just focus on this term, and now we write this radical term into the exponential form, and it is written as 3 to the power of 16, and we write the ninth root in this form 1 over 9, and here our denominator is 9. And after that, here we use another exponential law, and you know about this law. If you have a to the power of m to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m times of n. So according to this law, we multiply these two terms, and it is written as 3 to the power of 16 over 9, and in the denominator is 9, and we write this denominator as 3 square. We know that 3 square is equals to 9. Okay, so after this step, here you focus on both of these terms, and now here we apply another exponential law. So you know that if we have a to the power of m over a to the power of n, if we divide these two exponents whose bases are same, so we subtract its exponents, and we write it as a to the power of m minus n. So now according to this exponential law, we subtract these two to the upper power, and we write it as 3 to the power of 16 over 9 minus 2. And now in the next step, here we need to simplify the exponent term. And in the exponent term, you see here the denominator of this term is 1. So now first we take the LCM of this term, so that when you take the LCM of this term, so its LCM will becomes 9. And now we divide this 9 by 9, and when you divide 9 by 9, then you get only 1. And now we multiply this 1 to the upper terms, so 16 times of 1 is equals to 16, minus when we divide this 1 by 9, so you get here again 9, and 9 multiplied by 2 is equals to 18. And now in the next step here, we need to subtract these two values. So here when you subtract 16 minus 18, so it is written as minus 2 over 9. Okay, so when you have minus 2 over 9, so we need to make the positive exponent here, so that we move this minus 2 over 9 to the downside, and we write it as 1 over 3 to the power of 2 over 9.